Hi everyone, this is Aisha with Lab Designs by Aisha, and happy Saturday. We're having some family fun, and I just wanted to bring my YouTube family on here with us. We're outside. It's a beautiful day. We're at the pool. Myself, my kids, my husband is grilling. So I just want you all to come and enjoy this day with us. So I'm going to turn the camera around so that you can see everything that we are doing. Okay, so I'm here at the pool. As you see, my twins are having fun. My oldest daughter is out there. I don't know, I think she's in her little feelings right now, but it's gonna be all right. Today is still a beautiful day. As you can see, the sky is clear here. It's a very beautiful day. So I just wanted to know what all are you doing here on a Saturday. The sun is going down here. So we decided to just come outside for a little while and have us a barbecue. The kids wanted to get in the pool, so that's what we decided to do. And as you see, I'm just sitting here. I was gonna get in the pool, but I had to go ahead and do the food and season the meat and everything and bring it out to my husband. So I decided to just put my feet in the pool. Just decided to put my feet in the pool. I'll probably get out here tomorrow or another day. So I just wanted to let you all see us having this family fun and just enjoying our pool. I hope that you all have a great day. My husband's right here and he is playing basketball. Great shot. My kids were riding their bike until they decided to get in the pool. So this is the way we spend our Saturdays. Usually we're out here having fun and just enjoying each other and just having fun. Alright, so I just want you to see that and talk to you later. Bye.